I have done some advanced studying and as a result am proud to be qualified to teach you how to use a tape measure. Here are some objects that I measured the other day using a tape measure. I will now show you what a tape measure looks like so that you can become familiar with one yourself. Here it is. As you can see, it is a high-tech device. It comes in this stunning grey colour. If we flip the device over, you'll notice that there is some metal, and also there is this thing which is used to carry the device. I personally find this extremely comfortable to carry. If I had one word to describe the appearance of this device, I would use the word aesthetically pleasing. Now, in order to activate the device, you'll need to grab this metal thing at the bottom here. You can do that by using your first finger and your thumb, but you can also use other body parts to grab it if you like. From here, what you'll want to do is to pull the metal thing with all your strength, and as you do so, something incredible happens. A bit of yellow appears. If we flip the yellow over, you'll notice some symbols have appeared. From my studying, I have discovered that these are in fact numbers. The numbers go up in value as you pull this metal thing, so if you're looking for some particularly big numbers, then I would advise developing the strength in order to pull the metal thing out as much as you possibly can. Now that we know how to finally use this device once and for all, we can begin measuring things. So let's find something to measure now. We can measure the wall. So pull the metal thing out as much as possible. Okay, just like this. And then you're going to want to measure from here to here. What just happened? On a side note, please make sure that you hold this yellow thing with your other hand, otherwise it can cause mass destruction if you let go. So as I was saying, you'll need to measure the wall from the top to the bottom. So we'll just pull the yellow thing out, just like this. That's roughly at the top. It doesn't need to be perfect. About here, that'll do. And then you want to measure it all the way to the floor. Can't go any lower, got a bad back. So we'll do it about here. And then, I just hit my head. Should have worn a hard hat. Okay. So then you want to record the number that it shows. What does it say? 38. We've got a 38 here, so that's how big the wall is. That's some good measuring I did there. There are other things that you can measure as well. I have a grape. Let's measure the grape. Oh, fascinating. The grape has been measured, so now it is safe to consume, and I know that it won't get lodged in my throat because I've measured it and it's safe. The final object that I'll be measuring today is my head. I've always found that my head is too big, so if I can successfully measure it, I can then send the results off to the doctor, who should then be able to perform head reduction surgery. So let's get the measurement now. Okay, is that about right? I think so. 1 foot. Just as I thought, my head is too massive, so I'll need to go to the doctor. And that completes the tutorial on how to use a tape measure. I wish you the very best of luck attempting to measure things yourself. I'm going to go now and measure other items on my head to see what other surgeries I may need. So I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everyone. Okay, so what do I need to measure? Oh, my eye. That's a good one. Okay, so you measure from one part of the eye to the other. Okay, what do we have? 3 inches. That is quite big. Yeah, I might as well get surgery on that as well. Okay, so we've done that. Eyebrow. Okay, that's from there to there. 6 inches. Oh, that's way too big. You know, I definitely need to get surgery on my eyebrows. Anything else? I've got lips. I need to measure my lips. Let's do top down. 3 feet? Oh no, I read the wrong thing. 5 meters. Doesn't sound right either. Centimeters, 5 centimeters. That will do. I'm getting enough surgeries as it is. I think that's fine. That's all the measuring I need to do for now.